Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share with you the gifts that I got for my 33rd birthday. First up is this lovely gift from my office. This is a corporate gift basically with a lovely bouquet with real flowers, and it has a plant to it. It has come with a pouch of snacks which is salted almonds and cashews, and it also had a lovely photo frame with it. It is reversible, by the way. You can use photos on both the sides. And what's the best thing about birthday? Flowers, right? How many flowers are too many flowers? ये मेरे हस्बैंड को नहीं पता इसका जवाब. So the day started with this beautiful rose when we went for मंदिर, and then when I reached home we had this, the orchids, and शाम तक केक कटिंग के टाइम तक ये आ चुका है, इतना बड़ा customized one. Yeah, look at that. मैं इसी का क्लोजर व्यू देना चाहती. डोंट गो बाय दैट नेम, वो मेरे हस्बैंड मुझे बुलाते हैं सिर्फ. बट लुक एट द रोजेस, सो प्रिटी एंड इट्स कस्टमाइज्ड. आई मीन अगेन यू विल थिंक इस लड़की को कितना कुछ पसंद है, बट आई लव कस्टमाइजेशंस इवन इफ इट्स ऑन फ्लावर. फूल और कस्टमाइजेशन, और क्या चाहिए. जनवरी में जिनका बर्थडे होता है उनका पता है ना कि सबसे ज्यादा क्या गिफ्ट मिलता है, विंटर वेयर. और मेरे पतिदेव ने एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन ओवरकोट खरीद लिया है. सो वन इज एन अमेजिंग वन फ्रॉम द ब्रांड कॉल रेयरिज्म. आई वुड रिकमेंड एवरीवन टू ट्राई इट. आई लव इट. उसका एक ब्लैक कोट विद दैट फर डिटेलिंग, it is just beyond words. I love it so much. He got that one, and then he got two more which has a black and white combination with a zigzag pattern. Then he got one more with a furry pattern, and I forgot, then there is a kind of a sweatshirt but which has a very lovely woolen feel to it and pretty white color. and इन्होंने कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी. अब जूते भी है माई फेवरेट कलर, और ये शेड जो मैं पहले मॉल में देख के आ चुकी थी, एंड आई डिडंट नो दैट ही नोटिस. आई मीन आई लव दिस वन, and this is going to be my go-to shoes for office. I promise this is the last one from my husband. ठीक है, इसके बाद दूसरे पे जाएंगे. But look at these cute ones. ये ऐसे वैसे खरीद के नहीं आया. हाँ, ये टाइम जोन में जाके वो जो क्लॉ मशीन नहीं होता उसमें से जीत के लाया है भाई बंदा, और एक नहीं दो. तो आई मीन थोड़ा प्राउड मोमेंट तो बनता है. आई लव दिस. आई थिंक इससे ज़्यादा वैल्यूएबल तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. आई जस्ट लव इट. एंड मम्मी का जो गिफ्ट था ना, ऑफकोर्स एनी गिफ्ट फ्रॉम मॉम इज़ आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, राइट. तो उन्होंने आशीर्वाद तो किया ही है, बट डे लॉन्ग शी कुक माई फेवरेट डिशेज. द डे स्टार्टेड विद लूची एंड आलू, एंड देन वी ऑल्सो हैड बासुंती पुलाव विथ चिकन मेड बाई हर. देयर वॉज मालपुआ, देयर वॉज गुरेड पायश, दैट्स बेसिकली खीर मेड विद गुड़. इट्स अ बंगाली preparation. So throughout the day she pampered us, especially me, with a lot of food options. But पैम्परिंग डजंट स्टॉप देयर. मेरी मम्मी को उनकी बेटी को जो जो पसंद है वो सारा चीज़ें खरीदना होता है, बट मैंने उनको रोका, जैसे मैं खुद को रोकती हूँ उनको रोका. स्टिल शी एंडेड अप बाइंग समथिंग. आई विल शो इट टू यू. एंड लुक at what she gifted me. I ordered these ones from Meesho. Just look at the detailing. Oh my god. And the fragrance is amazing. I can't explain it to you how amazing this is. I ordered it from Meesho and I was thinking कि बेकार में मैं फालतू खर्चा कर रही हूँ. But my mom said नहीं खरीद ले, ये मेरी तरफ से बर्थडे गिफ्ट है. So yeah, I have it now. और हम गए थे कसौली बाय द एंड ऑफ दिसंबर, जैन बिगिनिंग, और वहाँ से मम्मी ने ये हैंडमेड स्कार्फ, मफलर टाइप्स स्कार्फ है ये बेसिकली, वो खरीद के दिया. एंड सी हाउ कलरफुल एंड चीयरफुल दिस इज. नेक्स्ट इज दिस शॉल फ्रॉम Kashmir shawls. This is a Kashmiri stole basically, and it looks wonderful. I love the color, the texture is very soft. I'm super excited to style it. Along with the stole, my colleague has gifted me lovely stationery because I really love stationery and especially cute little notepads, and these are very handy when I go for field visits. Okay, so next up is this cute pink bag. Of course, the lovely gift bag. I love it. And ta-da! This is such a beautiful embroidered chinar leaf. As you can see, the golden detailing on a rich maroon velvety bag. This is from Kashmir. This is from another colleague, and it has a ton of things inside, and I just can't imagine the kind of mind she has put into this, right? So this is basically an eye mask, because I use a lot of eye masks while traveling. I don't know if these are called eye masks or what, but see the tag that she has with it. Why fall in love when you can fall asleep? Yeah, what better than that, right? And then she has this box which has a quote from Harry Potter. So this box says a quote from Harry Potter. I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good. And it has a lot of fridge magnets and everything. Let me show it to you. See, such cute little magnets. And it also has this keychain cum notebook kind of a thing that I can put in my bag as a bag charm and use it for taking small little notes, because anyway I keep forgetting stuff. And look at this. This is such a lovely lip shade, and with that she has written, for the one who's beautiful inside out. Thank you so much. This is so lovely, and this also has a context to it which is very personal. So I really like that, and I love the bag also. I mean, she has gone all the way to even stretch and think about it. I love it. Next is this. Oh my god, what is this? This is basically a handmade box. I mean, I just love handmade, and I love anything that has so much of, you know, attention to detail. Even she has put in a birthday candle sticker. So this is from another colleague, and I love the color, the palette, and everything. And when I open it, oh my god, it's a burst of emotions, because right away it starts with a note, a very heartfelt one, which I'm not going to read out right now, but I absolutely loved it. The highlight of this one is definitely the stickers. Friends know that how much I love the show Friends and Harry Potter. Yet another one. So all my colleagues and friends know. So she has got tons of stickers. And these two put together in stationery, I just don't have words to say. And look at that. Those hair accessories. Can you see? So pretty. Oh my god. And it's pink. And also clutches. Look at the detailing. The tulips. Can you see? It's so pretty, right? And one more with the seashell detailing. I am in loss of words right now. And then the hero moment. Dun, dun, Jyotis! I mean, I don't know what to say. I don't know what have I done to deserve all this love. But oh my god, I'm out of words. I love it. I love each and every thought that has gone into it. And the care and love with which they have given all the gifts. I just don't have words. And the best thing about birthdays is surprise. A friend of mine who could not be here in person has sent this from Blinkit. Just look at it, how cute. So if when I'm happy I can do this, and when I'm grumpy I can just put it, and my husband would get the hint that okay, she's not in her best mood. And such a lovely perfume. Did you notice, like, everything pink, pink, pink? And ooh la la, look at this. What is it? I mean, crochet flowers. Oh my god. And I think I had wishlisted this one for the longest time, but did not end up ordering. I don't have words again. I mean, thank you so much. This is from an ex-colleague. Yeah, I feel like the richest person on earth. And I'm not wrong, right? I have so much love and so many people who love me. Anyway, तो मेरा ये बकवास अगर आपको रिलेटेबल लगता है या कुछ भी लगता है कि हाँ फीडबैक देना है, कमेंट में दे दो यार. और अगर लगता है कि हाँ हम कनेक्ट तो कर पाते हैं, ये क्या बोल रही है, तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जो जो होता है कर दो यार. आपको पता है मुझसे बेहतर. विल सी यू अराउंड. बाय बाय. ये बाय बाय. ये BTS हो गया.
ठीक है.